This is a water ride, so you may get wet. Please take your electronic items such as your mobile phone and camera. Also, please remain seated and keep your hands, arms, and feet all inside my boat. Parents, please watch your children. Then, if you have no question, we can start our journey now. First of all, we look to your right hand side is the Taishan Tree House. If you want to go to Taishan Tree House, don't try to jump or swim across the river, as you can see the crocodile just hiding under the dock. I bet he's just waiting for a handout, so better keep your hands in. So, how do you go to Taishan Tree House without swimming? You may have to take the walk just over there. But remember, take it before 6 p.m. After 6 p.m. Cousin and Jim will go to the dinner and they will close their tree house, and no one can go in anymore. That's pretty secret. Okay, let's say hello to the people waiting for the walk. Hello! It's magic, no one can see us. Bye-bye. And the other side. Bye-bye! Never mind, I can use it. Okay, we're now at the entrance of the Jungle River. For reading for us are the father elephant and baby elephant. It seems mom is teaching her little to use this prompt. Thank you. Hello, baby elephant. Keep learning. I hope you know how to swim very soon. Please take a seat. Hello. And ladies. Hello. Hello. Don't see inside. Thank you. Your little crocodile. Okay. And the other side, there's something you don't see every day. An elephant taking a shower. Oh, look at all those wrinkles. I think it's been under the water too long. Oh. Okay, watch everyone. His father elephant is. It seems he's in a bad mood. Okay, are you ready? 3,
Oh my God.
2, 1. Don't worry, just look. Because of the father elephant, he runs away. So we may go on this side. We'll be now. It's like a
Not
temple.
real.
Oh,
Just a robot.
look at all those giant spiders. They can jump over Chandy's bed. Don't worry, we're only 10 feet away. So if they jump, they probably jump right over us. Oh, that's all spiders. Mind your hand, so that never find you.
Oh, big
And
spiders.
remember, it's the temple of Malaysia. The elephant god of
Whoa.
wisdom. Those king's
Look at the
cobras
snake.
are one of the world's largest poisonous snakes. They attack you at the slightest motion. So watch everyone. Okay, we are leaving the temple now and we are safe. Oh, should be not there. Can you see that? We have a word for those reptiles over here. We call them crocodiles. But did you know how they call us? They call us dinner. But luckily, it's not the time for their dinner yet. So we are still safe. Just don't wake them up and don't come at night. Take a seat, please. Take a seat, please. Don't worry. Don't be afraid. Hello. Sit down, please. And Professor Water and Jay have Sarah came just over here. Oh, but there's some better company. Those naughty gorilla. Hello, gorilla. How are you doing? It's so pretty, yeah. We're going to Professor Water combat to punish them.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the grass there with all kinds of animals, including zebras, giraffe. Oh, and there's the rat. It's the number 2 most feared animal in the jungle. Its name is African elephant. But the number 1 is almost as another animal. And we are now entering a pool of dangerous people. They are 6,000 pounds and they sank 6 so yesterday. No worries, only 5 of them died. Oh, one animal is coming out. Watch out. And the other side. Oh, remember to brush your teeth every day. I guess before, but they didn't listen to my advice and jumped off the boat. Now they can only pay with the whales. Cool guys. Good luck, hope no one save them soon. Oh, keep quiet. See those skulls? It's Heather's sign language. It says, please remove your watches and jewelry, then we won't get stomach ache when we eat you. Oh, it's horrible. I hope stay at home. Okay, take it easy. Hello, we are not tasty, just let's go. Everybody now, so easy for the runners. Be careful of the poison now. Oh, it's so scary. Okay, if all of you are still here, then we may go back to the dock now. The dock is just up ahead on your left hand. Nothing is gonna stop us anymore. We can go back very soon. Oh, go back to the dogs, can you hear that? What size is it? Oh, it's baby elephant again. Hello, baby elephant. Oh, I think he may get on. It's okay, it's only for him soon. So we may just take some photos with him or just say goodbye. Bye bye. Okay, please remain seated. Mind your elbow, and let's go back to the dog. Bye bye, baby elephant. But if you miss him so much,